Dollar yen daily forecast September 11, FXEmpire.com. The dollar yen pair did very little during the session on Monday, but that's not surprising considering we have so much in the way of headline risk out there right now. We have the German High Court ruling, we have the Dutch elections, we have the Federal Reserve meeting this week. So, quite frankly, there's just a lot out there that has traders concerned. Typically, this pair is a risk on, risk off trade. In other words, it goes up when risk goes on and down when risk goes off. However, we currently have two central banks and have had them for a while that are trying to devalue their own currencies. So far, the Americans are winning, and I do say that in quotes because devaluing your currency is only somewhat helpful in certain circumstances, but it is definitely putting a hurting on the Japanese economy. With that in mind, the Bank of Japan does intervene in this pair when it gets out of control, and we think that right now the BOJ is currently defending the 78 handle. Because of this, we don't sell, but this is the second time that 78's kind of been the wall of death, if you will. So it seems to be somebody with a lot of money is definitely stepping in. We think that buying here is possible just because of the great risk to reward ratio. Because we go long, we think 80 gets hit eventually, and you're really only having to risk a very little bit at this point in time for about 180 pips or so. So, having said that, we would prefer to go long. If we fall down below 78, we think intervention is almost a given at that point and would buy any short term supportive candle down there as well.